Apply muna tayo mga shots. Grabe tong aking buhok this time. Napakabagal humaba ng buhok ko. Unlike dati, pag ito ginupitan yung buhok ko, ang bilis humaba. Siguro mabigat yung mabigat yung kamay nung nagupit sa akin nung last time. Napakabagal ang tubo ng buhok ko. Siguro kailangan ko siyang bawasan ng konti dito para mawala yung sumpa. yung sumpa ni kuya. Grabe. Ang bagal ng kailan ba to? Kailan ko ba to kinupitan? Last year around birthday din yun ni Tom. Siguro mga May yun. May ba si Tom o June? Gising na yung isa. Ginising ko na. What about? Kikiang-kiang si Dudong natin. Ang taba ko pa rin. Oy, ano ba yan siya? Di pa natanggal yung ko sa aking tiyan. Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, nanay. Still painting? May bagyo yata. Morning po.
No. Okay. Ito yung last part dito. It's a strong antibacterial. Okay.
Sama yung dalawa doon.
Open.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
There's two of them. One is the
Capsule.
capsule and one is the small one. The Wayne, Wayne Open.
Oh,
The
wait.
brand.
Brand? No. As long as the Co-Amoxicillin Club. you get rid of that one. Ibang brand na nabili mo, no?
That's already finished.
Okay.
The small,
The clindamycin.
clindamycin is a capsule.
Yeah.
And then there's the last one.
Oh, the vessel dew.
Vessel dew.
Yeah. The vessel dew, you need that because that helps in the circulation.
Yeah. So I keep having that.
You keep taking that one because we want to have a good circulation. Okay, so that promotes good circulation down there because you have full circulation down there. Okay, once we're done with this, the next thing that you need to do is to check your circulation. Okay, you do an ultrasound of the blood vessels. We call it a duplex scan. That will tell you if you have partial obstruction, how much obstruction. Because if the obstruction is significant, there might be a need for you to take medication as a maintenance just for your circulation to reach that point there. Okay?
And the painkiller.
The painkiller is yes, as needed. Okay? If you're in pain, you take it. If you're not in pain, don't take it.
Are you dizzy?
This is the one. Ceftriaxone.
Are you dizzy?
Huh?
Are you dizzy?
Okay? You're good, okay? Once you're done, you're okay. Hey, you can.
Yeah. Say good morning! Oh, flying kiss. Give them a flying kiss. Yeah! Good morning mga tatashas! Nandito na pala kami. Gagaling lang namin sa ano ba? Resulta. Gagaling lang namin sa clinic. Yeah. Oo, careful. Okay, you want milk. You had your milk while ago. Oh, be careful. Careful, baby. No, don't drop it, please. Yeah, that's your milk. Give it to me. Come on, give it to me. What's that noise? Huh? Kuya make a noise outside? What's up, baby Yana? You are watching your own vlog? Oh no, my baby's cranky today. Look at that. How come my baby's so cranky today? But not today. On that video pala. My baby is cranky. You want to have your milk now? Yep. Don't do that. Mamaya pala mga babalik kami ulit doon. Kasi yung kanyang tawag nito, injection twice a day. Baby Yana, no, come here please. Yana, come to mommy. So mamayang hapon babalik na naman kami doon. Gagawin namin siya until ang sabi ni doktor hanggang 9 days daw yung kanyang intravenous ang tawag doon sa cellulitis na kasi pag hindi na madala sa gamot-gamot lang ba, kailangan na talaga idaan siya sa ano niya, sa turok. Be careful Ayana, bring it here. So yun yung ginagawa na namin. And ngayon yung kanyang first day. So every day meron siyang twice na injection na gagawin, morning and afternoon. So mamaya babalik kami ulit doon. Tapos hopefully hindi aabot ng 9 days yung kanyang yung aming ginagawa kasi may kamahalan siya mga shots. Yung injection pa lang nakakabutas ng bulsa. So sana gumaling na siya within that day kasi problema na naman tayo sa ating baby bulsa natin. Wala pang trabaho yung tatay mo, may gastusin pa. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa kanya noon. Sabi ko sa kanya, gawa na ng paraan ba, doktor na, matigas yung ulo. So, inantay pa talaga niya na ganito yung mangyari sa kanya. Na lahat na puperwisyo. Anyway, sana maging tuloy-tuloy na maging okay siya. Wala tayong magawa. Nandito na tayo sa sitwasyon. Ang gagawin na lang natin is yung gamutan na lang talaga, baby, no? Yung daddy mo talaga yan, matigas din yung ulo. Yung daddy mo yan, ano? Oh, be careful. Kung bilisan mo, kasi gupitan ko si Monte. Kung tinan mo naman yung mukha na wala nang nakikita sa aso na ito. Para mapaliguan din mamaya. Gupitan kita, Monte, ha? Pangit-pangit mo na. Wala ka ng ano, may-ari. Ay, ay, ay. Ayan na, ang sakit ng aking ano, baby Yana. Kasalanan mo to, Yana, oh. Kagabi to, inano niya, kinalmot niya sa ano, kuko niyang mahaba. Anong hapdi. Oh, come here. Come, wanna go outside? Yeah. Si Ate Nicole, bilisan Ate Nicole. Oh, papa, careful. Oh, careful lang naman yung ating video. There you go, my baby Yana. Say hi. Wait, he cannot see you. There, say hi. Kanina, iniwan namin tutulog pa sila. Pagdating namin, gising na. Oh, say hi to them na. Give them flying kiss. Where's the flying kiss, Tata Shots? No, no. Oh, no, no, no. Don't drop it, please. Give mommy. Ay, don't do that. Oh, oh, oh. May galit pa siya.